Yes, ma'am.
Saurabh
I'm
is
there.
Saurabh is there. Akshay, are you there? Akshay, are you there? Okay.
शांत बसा आता.
Shall we start, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello, everyone.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
Hello.
Yugati, I have started recording. If you can just check if it is being recorded or not.
Yes, ma'am, it is being recorded. You just ask others to switch off the videos
Yes.
and audios.
Yes,
Only
I please
the one
request
is-
everyone to please mute your mics. Please switch on when your roll comes. Thank you, everyone. A very warm good morning to all of you. This is Professor Khushali Oza, and I am teaching operational banking to MCOM students. Operational banking is the first time I am teaching to my students. Okay. So there are so many concepts in this subject I thought can well be explained with the help of role play. So an idea struck my mind. I shared this with my students. I shared with Shamla ma'am, and I was surprised that both were very enthusiastic to move ahead and take ahead this role play. So I'm really thankful to my students and Shamla ma'am both. So here we are today with 11 scenes in this role play. So total we are going to play 11 scenes here, where 8 scenes are of operational banking and 3 scenes are related to corporate governance. Why I choose role play as a part of assignment here, I'll be giving marks to students depending on their performance, their script and their readiness, is because that role play helps to understand each character practically, express feelings, use language, rehearse roles and make sense of experience. So this is the reason why I have chosen role play as an assignment in operational banking. So let's start with the power performance of our students, MCOM students. I also welcome all MCOM students here who are non-banking students. I also welcome all e-commerce students here. So let's watch the role play ahead. As I said earlier, there are 12 scenes here. So let's start with scene 1. We are waiting for Shamla ma'am and Supriya ma'am to join in a while. There is some problem at their end. So they'll be joining us in a while. So by the time, let's start with scene 1. I will introduce every scene as and when we start. I also request the students who are playing the role to switch on their video so that we can see your expressions, your dialogue delivery, and can listen to their scripts with expressions. So let me tell you about something which scene 1 will speak of. Scene 1 will tell us about opening a bank account. It is going to be very simple. There is going to be a manager in the scene. There are going to be 4 students in the scene. A manager, a banker, a customer, and a security guard. Okay, so a customer is going to walk into the bank to open a bank account, and the banker is going to explain us what is the procedure followed by bank and how can we open a bank account. There is some indulgence of manager and security guard here. So scene 1, manager, the role of manager is played by Atmariyat, banker is played by Mohammad Bashir, customer is played by Azima, and security guard is played by Saurabh Sinde. So are you all ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so here we go.
Yes,
Scene
ma'am.
1. Scene 1, please switch on your video so that we can see that you are there. Atmariyat, Mohammad, Azima and Saurabh, please switch on your audio and video. Yes, so here is our manager and he really looks like a manager. Atmariyat, you are looking amazing.
Thank you.
Yes, where is Mohammed? Mohammed, please switch on your video.
Here, ma'am. Good mask.
Mohammed Bashir, where are you?
Yes, I'm here.
Please switch
Sadat.
on your video.
सदा सही ना में है
Azima, switch on your video.
It's on, ma'am.
Why can't I see you?
किन्नी सदा सही ना में है
Saurabh, is your video on?
Faridullah, you can mute. Okay.
Okay, just I told Basir that his sound is not coming well.
Basir, you are not audible. Basir.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, who is this?
Saurabh, ma'am.
Yes, Saurabh. I can't see you.
Okay.
Please switch on your video.
Ma'am, we are all switched on our video. I think
Yes,
I can
ma'am.
see everybody, but I don't know why I'm not like
Yes.
nobody sees
Yes,
me.
we can see all four.
Okay, then it's fine because I can't see all four. Fine, fine. Azima, I can see you now. But I want to see all four together.
Hello?
Ma'am, they are all there.
Okay, that's great. Can I ask anyone
Just
from the
Basir,
audience?
Yeah,
Can I
Basir
ask
is
anyone
not.
from the audience if all four are visible to you? Sibani, are all four visible?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, all four are visible in our screen.
Okay, fine. All together are visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, we can start. Azima,
1
we
minute,
can
ma'am.
start.
Ma'am, we can't hear Muhammad Basir. I think he has some problems.
Basir, can you improve your audibility? Basir? Basir, are you there? Basir is not audible, right?
हाँ, चलेगा.
Azima? Azima, are you there?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, I'm here.
Okay, so shall we play this in one after some time? Till the time Basir will fix his problem? Because he is completely not audible and his role is major here.
Hello?
Yes.
Yes, Basir, are you there?
He is audible now.
Yes, yes, I'm here.
Oh, thank
Can you
God.
hear me now?
Yes, yes, Basir.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
you all four are audible and we can see you, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Just a minute.
So are you all ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then
Saurabh?
I am starting 1, 2, 3 and go.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Welcome to the DOC bank. Excuse me,
Good
ma'am.
afternoon.
Can you? Excuse me, ma'am. Can you put the mask and sanitizer your hand?
Okay, sure, please.
Okay.
Excuse me, sir. I would like to ask you who is the best manager, who is the best bank manager. So
Okay.
I want to. Hello? Hello? Excuse me, sir.
Okay.
Who is the best? I would like to ask who is the best banker in your bank. I want to open a bank account very quick and very accurate.
Okay. Do you see that that sir?
Which one?
This
Oh,
he
yes,
is the
yes.
owner of the best banker. He is owner
Okay.
over the best banker. He
Okay.
will with everything. His name is Bawar Hakimi.
Oh, okay. Thank you so much.
Welcome, ma'am.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, ma'am. How can I help you, please? Have a seat, please.
Yes. I would like to open a bank account, and I want you to do it as quick as possible.
Very nice. Your child unique. I appreciate it. And I will help you on this way.
Oh, fine. So, would you tell me about the procedure of opening a bank account?
Well, we have different type of account, and every account has their own specification.
Oh, I didn't know about the types of accounts. Could you please tell me in details, like how to open that, so that I can decide which type of bank account I can open?
Sure, ma'am. We have 4 type of account: current account, saving account, recurring deposit account, and fixed deposit account. Let's just start from current account. Current
Okay.
account is for your business. If you are interested to do business, also it can possible for a company, for enterprises, and it means not for a common man. This account is mostly liquid deposit, and there is no limited for the number of transactions. An amount of the transaction in any point of time. You can carry as many transactions as much you want. Please, ma'am, remember, in current account, we do not pay interest because it does not have maturity time. And current account is never used for the type of purpose of investment. I would like to express an example for you, ma'am. For example, if you have 1 lakh in your current account, you won't get any interest in your balance, but it has some certain charges.
Okay. What about the other accounts, about the saving account?
Yeah, okay. Saving account. Saving account is for the common. It is just for saving purpose. Anyone can open this account, even joint and single. Most of the salary account, pension, and student use this account. The advantage of this saving account is have some interest with us. For example, if you have 1 lakh in your saving account, you can earn 4 up to 6% interest. In saving account, you can withdraw money from your account as when you require. Also in saving account, you can collect or deposit money when you want. There is no restrictions. But please note, 4 transactions are free in ATM at 24 hours. And more than 4 times, there will be specific charges. And please remember, ma'am, if you want to open saving account, you must have 10,000 rupees minimum to function.
Oh, I have no idea about the 2 other types of accounts. Would you tell me in detail, like what are they, how are they?
Oh, okay, ma'am. Let's go to the recurring deposit account. It is for those who saving money regularly in certain period of time to earn higher rate of interest. For example, 2 years from now, you want to buy a new Maruti Suzuki car and the price of 2 lakhs. And for next years, you must invest a certain amount of money every month. So now you have to open a recurring deposit account, and regularly on the base of every month, you have to deposit 8,000, just 8,000 to buy the Maruti Suzuki car after 2 years. By the time you will be pay around enter principal amount which you have saved, but also will give you highest rate of interest on the base of 6 months or yearly. Let me have some details with a final one. It means fixed deposit account. As the fixed word says, this amount will be fixed for a certain period. For example, if you have 1 lakh, if you have 1 lakh in your account, you want to fix it this amount for 5 years. So the DOC will be lock your amount after opening fixed deposit account, and you will not have allowed to take your money during this 5 years. If you continue for 5 years, you will get a good amount of interest.
Oh, that's very interesting. But I will go for the saving account because it's more common and appropriate for me.
Very nice.
So what type of document shall I submit for that?
Well, ma'am, you must fill up the preferred application that we are made it, and then provide a recent photo of passport size, ID card, or PAN card, or passport and electricity bill for the proving of your resident locations, ma'am.
Okay. I have all the documents.
Okay.
Oh no, I think I have forgotten my PAN card. Can I start the procedure of opening the bank account without my PAN card? Because I have been waiting for so long and I'm not able to come again the next time. I'm so busy. And I already had an account previously, which I closed due to my personal issues. So can I open it without this PAN card?
Oh, I'm really sorry, ma'am, but these are our KYC rule. To open a new account, you must apply and submit the documents again. I can't help you without any of your documents, but you can come later. We are working till 40:30 p.m.
Oh, no, I really can't come later. I will talk to the manager then. I can't come and I'm literally wasting all my time in this process.
As you wish, ma'am. You can talk to the manager then.
Okay, yes, I'll go to the manager then.
Okay.
Excuse me, sir?
Yes, ma'am. Come in. Have a seat. How can I help you?
I have a small issue. I came to bank to open an account. Your banker has been explaining me everything in details about the bank, about the types of bank accounts. And while applying, I found out that I haven't taken my PAN card with me. And right now I have very big problem because I wasted my whole time and I was waiting for morning and nothing is going on and nothing I can have any result.
Oh, sorry, ma'am. As per the bank rules and regulations of RBI, this is not allowed. You have to present while applying for the bank with full package of required documents. Try to come when you have time and you can open the account without pressure on yourself.
But I have been waiting for so long. I can't come later. Is it possible somehow to do this? Like I will send you my documents maybe through email, or yes, I will do it as soon as possible then.
Yeah, I understand, ma'am. What you can do is take the application form, fill it, attach all the documents, and come whenever possible for you. But for now, you cannot start opening the account. You have to understand, without all your required documents, you cannot open the account. And it will take 2 to 3 working days to open the account, but I will try to open it in 2 working days.
Oh, so there is no possibility, right?
No, ma'am, we cannot do it without you complete the required documents.
All right, sir. So sorry for disturbing. Thank you so much.
You are welcome, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Have a nice day. Thank you.
Was it help you, ma'am?
Yes, sir. You were very helpful. Thank you so much.
Okay, ma'am. Bye-bye, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Bye-bye. Thank you.
Welcome.
So that's the end of scene 1, and a big clap from my side at least. Thank you for your claps also. I can hear all your claps. I am happy that Mohammad Bashir, he was not well, so he could not rehearse with us, but today he did a fantastic job. He explained everything about the current account, the savings account, the procedure and everything. I would like to share with you that though Azima tried opening an account without a PAN card, but manager, though he was very helpful, he could not allow Azima to open a bank account because it is the RBI regulation that know your customer, KYC is very important, and the bank who fails for KYC and the bank who suffers because of that, RBI will not be helping them. That's one of the strongest rule laid by RBI. So you will find some banks who will ask to open an account with whatever documents you have, right? But then they are not being fair. They are not following RBI regulations. So it is very important on part of scheduled banks, non-scheduled banks, commercial banks, public sector banks, and private sector banks to follow the RBI regulations and Banking Regulation Act 1949 very strictly. So through this role play, we are also trying to even inform customers that these are some things which are very important on banking side. So here we go for scene 2. Let me tell you what is about scene 2. So scene 2 is about check deposit which is delayed. So you will find a customer coming to a bank whose check he has deposited and it is not yet cleared in his account. So the deposit of his check is being delayed and the customer is coming to bank with a complaint. So we have 3 people here, 3 students who will be playing this role. One is going to be manager, that is Atmariyat, who played the role earlier. Second is going to be a terrible banker here. The role is to be played by Ashay Kotwal. And the customer here is Bruno Mokli. Okay, so are you all 3 there? Atmariyat, Ashay and Bruno. Please switch on your audio and video both.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
Excuse me, ma'am. Sorry
Yes.
for the interruption.
No problem. Yes.
Ma'am, can you please invite Gauri? She is not able to join.
I have not seen her request to enter. Otherwise, I am accepting everyone who is asking a permission.
Okay, ma'am.
Just some time back, I admitted Akshay also. So I get a notification here when someone tries to enter. Can you please tell her or him to join in a scheduled meeting? I have already scheduled a meeting. So he or she can directly join in the meeting now. No need to ask for the permission. Okay, please convey this.
Yeah.
And
Yeah,
thanks
thank
you
you.
asked. Please
Thank
pass
you.
on this message to all. Can I see Atmariyat, Ashay and Bruno, please?
We are here, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. We are here.
Okay, can we start?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Akshay, we cannot see Akshay.
So 1, 2, 3, and here we go.
Akshay is missing now. Akshay?
Hello. Hello. Hello, hello.
Yeah, we cannot see you.
Can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you,
Yes.
but we can.
Ma'am, hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Hello.
Yes, Ashay.
मेरा वेबकैम का थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम आया है, मैं रीइंस्टॉल कर रहा हूँ उसे, तो थोड़े 10 मिनट लग जाएंगे उसे, फिर आप अगला सीन ले सकते हैं क्या?
नहीं, you continue without camera if at all, no problem. Is okay.
Okay. 2
Okay.
मिनट.
Yes, Ashay.
95% हो गया वो 2 मिनट से.
Okay.
Hello, excuse me, sir. I deposited my check here, but it has not been cleared yet. Can you tell me what the problem is? Can you please tell me what the problem is? I have a business flight to catch.
Okay, first of all, calm down, gentleman. Can you please tell me what is your name?
Oh, my name is Bruno Mokli.
Okay, so Mr. Mowgli, first thing you can
Hey,
answer.
stop. My name is not Mokli. My name is Mokli.
Okay, no problem. So, my bad, sorry. So, Mr. Mowgli, first thing you came in the bank on wrong time. Okay. In India, public sector bank has the unwritten rule that whatever happen in the world, we never sacrifice our lunch time. Also in situation like demonetization, we maintain our record. Besides all of that, I am very kind-hearted person, you know. So I am ready to sacrifice my valuable 10 minutes from my lunch time only for you. Okay. Then you please repeat your problem in a little detailed manner.
Whoa. Okay, I deposited my check here 5 days ago. It is not clear yet. I called your customer care twice. They have not done any effort to solve my problem. You know, I run my business with urgency and I need to pay my vendors now.
Okay. Very nice problem, Mr. Mowgli.
No, man, it's Mockley. Anyway, you can simply call me Bruno.
Okay, okay, I got it. No problem. And it will be easy for both of us. Okay. So, Mr. Bravo, let me check. Let me check your account. Oh, I see. You are from Africa. I love Africa, man. You know, because my favorite player, AB de Villiers, is from Africa. What a super player he is, right?
Hey, no. Can you please focus on my problem? And by the way, I'm from West Africa. The player you are talking about is from South Africa. And that is not the problem you have here. Focus on my problem, please.
Okay, okay, no problem. Don't get angry. I checked all your statement, but we are clear from our side. Problem is definitely from other party. You have to wait for some days.
I know I have no time for that. I have actually confirmed with my partner that there is no issue. So I need an answer now. Can you please call me your manager? This is getting out of hand.
Okay, okay, Bravo. If you insist, I call him.
Hello, dear customer. How can I help you? What's the problem?
Hello, Mr. Manager. I deposited my check here 5 days ago, and it has not been cleared yet. You know, I'm a businessman, and I need to pay my vendors. And your banker here seems to be focused on football and some stats in Africa instead of solving my problem. That's why we are here.
Oh, sorry for inconvenience. What's your name?
Oh my God, you too? My name is Bruno.
Okay, Mr. Bruno, can you please tell me the payer's bank details?
Oh, it's People's Bank.
Oh, okay. Mr. Bruno, let me explain. There are various reasons delay in check deposit problems like insufficient funds in payer's account closed or blocked for some reasons, or hold on account for negative history, wrong information written on check. But if it is not the problem, then it must be delayed in clearing house. After lunch, I will try to fix your problem as soon as possible, and I will personally inform you till evening.
Oh, okay. I think I'm satisfied with your words. Thank you very much.
Okay, Mr. Bruno, it is my pleasure. Welcome.
See, I told you there is no problem from our side. I never commit any mistake. I am always perfect in my work. But anyway,
Oh, yeah.
nice to meet you, Mr. Bravo Mowgli. Nice to meet you.
Oh, I can really see how perfect you are. Anyway, thank you for, is it your help or something? Mr. Is it Ashatae? Anyway, goodbye.
या एक मिनिट डायरेक्ट आश्रय से आशाताई जेंडर चेंज ये बंदा बिजनेसमैन बनेगा रे शिंदे
बाय
यस बनेगा
So that's all for scene 2, and a big clap for you all. Wonderful job by all of them. Asha here was a typical real banker you will find in all the banks, almost all government banks. So he played a perfect role. And the manager was calm enough to convince the customer that yes, the problem will be solved. And the personal attention was also given, convincing that the check deposit will happen and it is the fault at the other end, not at the fault of Banker Sang. And this is obviously to be done by the manager. So moving on to scene 3. Scene 3 is about digital banking services. So nowadays, you know, almost all banks have become online. They have become a virtual bank, and now people do not need to visit physically to the branches of bank. So there are many services, and to know more about such services, let's go through our scene 3, where there are two people involved. One is the banker, the other is the customer. The role of banker here is played by Sharma Salil, and the role of customer here is played by Hamdard Faridullah. Both of you, can you please switch on your audio and video both? Salim and Faridullah, are you both there?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Very nice. Shall we start? Are you all ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, so here we go. 1, 2, 3, and start.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir. Welcome to DOC Bank.
Thank you. I wait, and I'm so tired of waiting. I have waited for 30 minutes in queue.
Oh, I'm so sorry that you had to wait for so long, sir.
So it's all right, no problem. But I have but it is so difficult to me to every time I'm coming here, waiting for a long time in queue and getting bank services. So and also I have to go to electricity board to pay bills.
I understand, sir. So what can I do for you?
I want to transfer some cash to my son. He is in Delhi. And one thing, sir, I want to know about: do you have any alternative way for all these kind of transactions?
Yes, of course, sir. Banks these days provide digital banking services, and now you can do everything in a single click from your smartphone, sitting in the comfort of your home. Internet banking is one such tool that has made life easy for all of us.
Oh, wow. This seems really nice and amazing service. How can I use this internet banking?
It's really simple, sir. You can transfer money to your son's account just by logging in with your account ID and password, which is provided by the bank. Then put your son's account details, select the amount you want to transfer, and the system will send a one-time password or an OTP to your registered phone number. But always remember, the banks never ask for that OTP, so don't share it with anyone.
Oh yes, but what if someone else steal my money or I send to someone else?
Don't worry, sir. Online transfer of funds are really safer and are verified by our systems. You just have to download our mobile application and register yourself. You can even set a 4-digit PIN on that application for additional safety.
Oh, what else can this mobile application do?
Well, for starters, you don't even need to go to that electricity board to pay your bill in this heat. Just pay your bill online through our app with the help of your debit or credit card.
Oh, that sounds wonderful, but I think it would be so difficult for me to operate such kind of application.
Well, not at all, sir. Our application is quite user-friendly. Once connected, it will also show your bank account balance, and even your passbook will get constantly updated. You can even recharge your phone number or even your television through our app.
This all seems so exciting to me. Any more magic that your apps can do?
Yes, definitely, sir. You can even apply for loans or credit cards through our app. You can change your ATM PIN. You can block your card if it's stolen. Also, you can invest in various schemes according to your choice. It may be mutual funds, fixed deposits, or any other tax saving schemes. All of this under one app.
Oh, I was not aware about such kind of bank services. It will save me a lot of time and effort, and I can finally do other things such as go to theater to watch that new movie.
Well, you don't even need to stand in the movie theater for the ticket. You can even book tickets of that movie through our app.
Oh, thank you, sir. Thank you so much for telling me all this information.
You're welcome, sir. We value your time.
Oh, thank you.
You don't need to come to the bank from now on. We are sending the bank to you.
Thank you, sir. Have a good day. Thank you.
Welcome.
So that was scene 3. So that was about digital banking. Nowadays, you know that we do not need to go to bank. Even we do not need to go anywhere to make a payment. Starting from shopping to booking tickets to paying bills, everything can be done with the help of debit card, credit card, internet banking, mobile apps. And these have made our lives very, very easy. So there has been reforms in banking sector. So this is the biggest reform. Technology is used in banking in all finance sector, and this upcoming concept is known as fintech. This is also known as financial technology. The short form is fintech. I'm telling you this because nowadays many specializations happen with fintech. Some of our MBA students also take specialization as fintech, wherein they will learn all important upcoming technology in finance sector. So a student doing MBA in finance also takes up MBA in finance as minority specialization as fintech, because that is the need of an hour. That is also one of the reasons why we have also invited e-commerce students here Because in one way or the other, every one of us is touched with the banking sector. So e-commerce student, no, they do not have taken any specialization of banking. Through this role play, they would be able to know some of the concepts of banking better. And we hope for the best. Moving ahead, scene number 4 here is about stolen debit card and request for the stop payment. It many times happen with all of us that our ATM card or debit card gets stolen and we have to immediately stop payment. So let us understand its procedure and why and how it happens. The roles are played by two students here, the banker and a customer. The role of banker here is played by Kombade Gauri, and here is an irritating customer, and that is Khatale Akshay. So are you both ready?
Hello, ma'am. Corey is having problem. She is trying since last half hour, and I tell her everything, but she still can't join. She is saying that she is using another mobile, that's why she's facing problem. So she is requesting if someone can call her from this meeting, so she can directly join.
How to call her from the meeting? Any idea?
Ma'am, you can call her. There is an option.
Where?
Where?
Can anyone guide me?
Shamla ma'am can.
Shall I click on these 3 dots here? More actions?
Ma'am, go ahead. I don't have the controls here now today. Yeah, go ahead. I've joined.
Yes, Shamla ma'am has joined.
You have to click on the participants list. Then you can type one. Then you can type on them. Then you can add her.
Wait, I'll do it. I'll do it, ma'am.
Okay, I have done it.
Acha, okay.
You can also try once if I have failed to do that.
You can actually call her, na? Call भी है ना? 1-2 मिनट. Participants यहाँ से कॉल होता है, वो कहाँ से manage teams में जाना पड़ेगा उसको.
By the time can we move to scene 5?
I think we
fixes her problem.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. We are
Right.
Go for scene 5. Okay, ma'am.
Thank you, Akshay. Scene 5.
Akshay, your mic is open.
Kamitkar, Apurva, and Namrata, are you both there? Apurva, Namrata?
Yes, ma'am.
Both are there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So let me introduce scene number 5 to everyone. Scene number 5 is about various investment schemes. We all know that we go to banks for various purposes. There are primary functions of banks and secondary functions. So primary function of bank is to accept deposit and give loans. Apart from that, there are secondary functions of bank also. So out of secondary function, one of the important function is provide various investment opportunities and schemes to the customers. So nowadays banks also provide advices and help customers rather to suggest where to invest, where not to invest, what are the reasons and how to go ahead. So let us understand more about how banks help in portfolio. So this is a portfolio management services provided by a bank where we have 2 roles. A portfolio manager and a customer. The role of portfolio manager is played by Apurva and customer is played by Namrata. Are you both there?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Shall we
ma'am.
start?
Yes, ma'am.
So, okay, 1, 2, 3, and here you go.
Hello, ma'am. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Welcome to DOC Bank. What can I do for you?
Actually, I wanted to know about the investment plans that you provide us. I have some amount and I wanted to invest in bank. So what can I do for? And more thing, I want to know maximization of profits and profit margins and period of time for what I can get returns.
Sure, ma'am. I will like to help you out. Will you let me know the amount you want to invest and the time period you want to invest it for?
I have 5 lakh rupees and I wanted to invest them in 5 years, for 5 years.
Okay, sure. I will help you out. So our bank has several investment schemes such as fixed deposit, PPF, investment
investment in equity and mutual funds, etc. So for you, I will suggest some of the schemes which are beneficial and profitable for you. So for the safest investment and fixed interest rates at the rate of 6.10%, you can fix rupees 2 lakh of the amount in FD for our bank. For the next 1 lakh, you can invest in the mutual fund option provided by our bank. It has higher returns than FD but has a little risk as it fluctuates with the market. For better security, I can suggest you the best plan to maximize your returns. For the next 1 lakh, you can invest in Public Provident Fund, where you can get interest at the rate of 7.10% with effect from 1st July 2020. And as investment in PPF comes under government securities, the tax on the PPF interest is exempted from income tax.
Wow, it's amazing to know that I'll get exemption in taxes too. Wow. Next.
Finally, you can open a Demat account with our bank and invest 1 lakh rupees in equity shares. It is the most risky of all the other investments, but it can give you the highest returns over time. So basically, these are the options I have for you for maximizing your returns. Would you like to go with these options?
Okay, I like the investment plans, but I really don't know about equity shares and share market. So I really scared to invest 1 lakh rupee. It's huge amount, no? So you can invest in mutual funds rather than equity shares. If you help me out through this.
Yes, sure, ma'am. But without investing in equity shares, you are definitely missing on larger returns. I'd suggest you to open a Demat account with our branch and learn to invest in small amounts.
Okay. Okay. Okay, then what will be the procedure, ma'am?
Okay, I will tell you. I just want you to know some more facilities we give to our customers, such as you can change the investment plans if you feel it is not yielding much returns. You can switch from one investment plan to another. Also, you will get statement regarding your investment portfolio on monthly basis through email. Thanks for visiting our bank. Please submit the necessary documents like 2 identity proofs, 2 address proofs, and 2 passport size photographs. And also deposit rupees 300 for opening your Demat account. I will send you the details in your mail.
Here it is. Thanks, ma'am.
Thank you
Thank
so
you for
much
it.
for visiting our bank.
Okay.
So that's all for scene 5. Wonderful job.
Shali ma'am. Shali
So
ma'am.
there we go. All of us have. Yes, yes.
One
Yes.
second. I think just type
Yes, ma'am.
Gauri's name.
Yes, ma'am.
Just type Gauri's name, and you will get one exhibit kind of a thing with a call there. Just see if you can do it. I have become an attendee. I don't have any controls now.
When I click on Gauri, the name disappears.
Acha.
Yes, ma'am. I joined, ma'am.
Oh, very good.
Got it,
Chalo,
then.
she
Okay,
joined.
that's great.
Good. So you can go back to your previous scene, ma'am. And we have guests also. We have Dikshit sir joined, so he can
Very
give us.
nice.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Yeah.
So scene 5 was about investment. At one point or the other point, we all have savings with us, but we sometimes fail to arrange our savings in a logical manner. We ladies have always the intensity of buying gold and keep it in a locker. That's it. But we forget that it should grow. It grows, no doubt, but not always. And the intensity is not more. So one should go to a bank, being a wise citizen of India now, and should make a portfolio of our investment, invest wisely according to our needs. Maybe I have a need of retirement benefit, someone has a need of growth, someone has a need for stable monthly income. All options are always available. The only problem is we do not go to bank and ask for a help. But these services are available with bank even if you have a small amount as small as 10,000 or as big as 25 lakhs. There are good options available with the banks. So with this note, let's move ahead with scene number 4. It's about stolen debit card and a request for stop payment. The banker's role is played by Gauri and here the customer is Akshay. Are you both ready now?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Akshay, are you ready? Akshay, I can't hear you.
Hello, ma'am.
Akshay, you are there?
Yes, ma'am. I am there. Hello.
Shall we start?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, go for it.
Okay, so 1, 2, 3, here we go.
Hello. Okay. Hello. Is this a DOC customer care?
Yes, sir. Welcome to DOC customer care.
I'm trying to call you since last 10 minutes, but no one is answering my phone. What's the problem?
Yes, sir. I was busy with the another call. How may I help you, sir?
So if you don't have time to pick up our call, so then don't tell us na, to call customer care.
What happened, sir? Please tell me. I can do my best to help you.
Okay, there's a lot thing happen and that are all bad thing happen to me today, okay? But first things, I'm requesting you to change that annoying caller tune from your system because since last 10 minutes, I'm listening to some tabla and shehnai music and God knows what not, okay?
Okay, sir. I can understand, but I can't do anything about it.
So if you can't do anything, then please change your bank name to Torture Bank because that's the way you torture customers by playing that annoying music continuously.
Don't be angry, sir. We will definitely consider your request. Just tell me what is your problem so that I can help you.
Look, I am not angry at all. Okay, I am not angry. I am just talking to you very politely. And there is a problem with my debit card. I have lost it, or maybe someone I have stolen it. I don't know.
When did you lose your debit card, sir?
I don't remember it exactly, but in morning I went to the shopping mall, and only there I realized that I have no debit card with me. Maybe I have lost it.
Okay, sir. We will cooperate with you. I have to block your card immediately.
No. Please, don't block the card right now, okay? Because that's the only card I have, or without it, I can't do anything, na? In no transaction, okay?
No, sir, you are not getting me. If I block your card, it will be more severe for you. No one can use your card for purchasing or any withdrawals. And also there will be no effect on your deposits and payments.
Okay, then if it's going to be this way, just it's fine. Okay, just it's fine. Just block the card right now. Okay, right now, block the card.
Yes, sir. I require some details. Please tell me your customer ID, sir.
I don't know.
Card number, sir.
I don't remember it. Okay, and please, will you just stop asking me silly questions and please block the card immediately. Okay.
But sir, I require your details. Do you remember your account number, sir?
I don't know what is it, but let me check. I have passbook with me. Okay, I will check it. 1 minute.
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay, here it is. It is DOC 123456. Okay, it is DOC 12356. That is my account number.
Yes, sir. I can see your profile. Akshay Khatai, right, sir?
Yes, Akshay, it is me.
Yes, sir. I have blocked your card. It is safe now.
Are you sure about that? Because if anything happened to my money, I will sue your bank or otherwise I will file a case against you. Okay?
Don't worry, sir. It is safe now. I have blocked your card.
Oh, thank you for that. But what about now? Because I need a new card right now.
Yes, sir. I raised your request for new debit card. For that purpose, you have to submit PAN card, Aadhaar card to the bank. We will provide you an OTP to your registered mobile number After that, within 7 days, you will get your new card to your postal address through courier.
No, look, 7 days is too much. Okay, 7 days is too much. I can't wait for 7 days.
Yes, I understand, sir. For that purpose, we will provide you temporary debit card or emergency PIN to access the cash at ATM. Or sir, simply you can have your cash with the help of passbook, sir.
Okay, yes. Look, if this is going to help, it's okay, fine. Okay, I can wait for 7 days. It's fine, totally fine. And thank you for blocking my card.
Yes, it's my pleasure. If in case you lose your card again by using mobile banking, net banking, or SMS, or by ATM, you can block your card by yourself.
So you want me to lose my debit card again? That's what you're talking about?
No, sir. It's just a suggestion to you.
I don't need any suggestion from your side, okay?
Okay, sir. Is there anything that I can help you?
There is nothing left, okay? And thanks anyway. But just one suggestion, okay? This time, use GPS chip in my ATM card. So next time, if I lose it, I will not need to call you. I will find it myself, okay?
Okay, sir. Thank you for calling. Have a good day, sir.
Whatever.
Thank you.
So Akshay was wonderful. We always find sometimes the customer getting angry, sometimes the banker getting angry. If both get angry together, then a war starts. But here we have tried either the customer gets angry or the banker gets angry. I would like to share with you that when we were doing a rehearsal of this, Gauri asked ma'am actually how is going to be the procedure. We shared the procedure, but then Gauri somehow suggested, ma'am, I would like to take as a first-hand information. And Gauri said she had a bank account with Bank of Maharashtra. So one day she called Bank of Maharashtra saying she has lost her card and she would like to know the procedure of how to go ahead. And first-hand information is what she took from Bank of Maharashtra. But she did not take a risk. She just said that I have lost it in my home. Maybe by evening I'll get it. But if I don't get it, I want to know the procedure. And this is how she had learned the procedure calling the bank actually just last week. Yes, Gauri? So this is how the first-hand information is taken for this play.
Yes, ma'am.
For her efforts.
Good work done. Very composed banker. Usually,
yes.
Bank of Maharashtra, especially.
Yes. And she actually called bank to get this information. It's not that she just read it from a book. She called the bank to get this information.
Thank you,
Akshay, your torture bank was wonderful. Huh?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Moving ahead to scene number 6. Scene number 6 is about selling bank credit card. All time we get those terrible calls from bank to sell their credit cards, right? So let us have a small scene about it where we have two students here. Banker is Fazil and the customer here is Bruno. Are you both ready, Fazil and Bruno?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Can we start?
Yes, ma'am.
So 1, 2, 3, and here we go.
Okay, ma'am.
Hello.
Hello. Good afternoon, Mr. Bruno. Can you hear me?
I can hear
This
you.
is
Go
Nazmuddin
ahead.
Fazli calling from COD Bank. It is nice to talk with you, sir, and hope you're doing well.
Oh, yeah. Good morning. Yeah, I'm fine. Thank you for asking. How are you?
I am also fine, sir. How is your business going on?
Business is slower nowadays due to the pandemic. You can even tell from the activities in my bank account, it's not well at all.
Sorry, sir, for hearing this bad news, but we hope everything be better as soon. Mr. Bruno, actually, I'm calling to tell you about your new debit card, and the name of this debit card is Bees card. What is your idea? What do you think about that?
Oh, another debit card? Come on, what is the difference with the other card I already have? I have 3 different cards from your bank alone, and honestly, I only use one of them.
Sir, are you there?
Yes, I'm here. Talk. I just told you I have 3 debit cards from your bank alone, and I only use one of them.
Okay. Sir, it will take some minutes, and I hope you wait patiently.
I'm a businessman. I don't have time. Just talk. You are from the bank, so it's money. We can talk.
Sir, actually, this is a very good card. Our bank has come up with, and you can use from COD debit card to transact at more than 1 lakh ATMs and POC terminal worldwide. And customers are entitled to 5 free ATM machine transaction every month, along with special benefits and signature privilege such as insurance, discount, voucher, rewards find on every transaction, and much more. And also you can use for booking train, flight tickets, movie tickets, making online purchase, and dinner the reservation, traveling, retail expenditure, and more. And also your money will be saved. I suggest to on you, sir, after taking this card, you will be very comfortable in every place, and also it will bring more facility on your business, on your daily action, and your money safe. When you lose your wallet, you will lose your money, but when you lose your card, but your money is safe in your account, because your account linked this card, because your card is linked to your account. And be with COD Bank, save your money, save your business, and save your life.
Oh, wow. You just spoke a lot. That's very exciting. I'm a businessman, of course, and I like traveling. So that travel part of the card is really exciting. But I'm still not sure yet if I want to go with that. As I said earlier, our business is slow nowadays due to the pandemic. But anyway, what are the costs involved in maintaining that card?
Don't worry, sir. For applying of this card, you don't need to pay money. And because of COVID-19 pandemic, just you can go through our website and fill the form, and after some specific date, you will receive your card.
Oh, okay. Yeah, all right. So that's exciting. Okay, I think I'll go for it. Thank you.
Thank you for your time, sir.
Oh, you are welcome. You are welcome. What's your name again?
Mr. Fazli.
Mr. Fazul. Okay, yeah. Okay, thank you, Mr. Fazul. Bye.
Have a nice day, Mr. Mukli.
Yeah, bye. Bye.
So that's it for scene 6. So many a times we really do not know what is the actual use of credit card. You only think that whenever we do not have money, we can use it, but that's not the case. Even if we have money, we can use credit cards. That's for many other benefits also. So moving on to scene number 7. Scene number 7 is about to explain various types of checks. Even as simple as we do not know sometimes what is the difference between general crossing and special crossing, right? Even if I am a regular person who is using bank, I do not know many a times what is the difference between special crossing, general crossing, and many things about the type of checks we use, right? So let us understand something about this, and to play this role, we have 2 people here. One is cashier, the role is played by Nooreen, and the other is customer, the role is played by Azima. So Nooreen and Azima, are you both ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Shall we start?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so 1, 2, 3, and here we go.
Hello, ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. I have two checks. I want to encash these two checks, please.
Yes. Can I have your token on the two checks, both of them?
Sorry, ma'am?
Can I have your token number on two of the checks?
Yes, please. Here you go.
Thank you. Ma'am, I will need an ID proof. Do you have your Aadhaar card or passport or something, an ID?
Yes, here I have my passport.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. Please wait a moment.
Sure, sure. Could you please be quick?
Yes, I'm just checking the signature if it's the right one and the account number. Just give me a moment. Ma'am, here's your money. Please count it. And after confirmation, I will need you to sign on the back of your check. Please count your money.
Yes. Yes, it is.
Now you need to sign on the back of your check that you have received the money.
Oh, here, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, here you go.
Thank you, ma'am.
What about the other check?
Just give me a moment, please. Ma'am, here is the receipt for your check. Please keep it with yourself. The money will be transferred to your account within 24 hours.
Thank you, but I don't need the money to be transferred into my account. I need the cash right now, right away.
I'm sorry, ma'am. The check you have given me is a cross check.
What is a cross check? Are you kidding me? Seriously? I need the money right now. What is the cross check? I don't know about this kind of problems. I didn't face it before.
Ma'am, can you please calm down? I can explain it to you, okay? Can I explain?
Yes, probably you're a new cashier that you don't know anything. So call me the manager if you don't know how to do it, to work with the customer.
Please give me a moment. I can explain it to you. Can I explain it for you?
Yes, make me clear if you can, before I talk to your manager.
Ma'am, there are different types of check, okay, in the financial sector, and you have given me two checks. You see, this check you have given me here in this section of the pay, your name is written there, which means I can give you the money in cash. Like the money can be given to this person, which I just gave you. But about the second check, if you see, like, do you see these two blue lines on the top left corner of your check? These two blue lines.
Okay. Yes.
These lines indicate a cross check, okay? And if you see instead of your name here, your account number is written. And if I am not wrong, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0, 1. This is your account number, right?
Yes, yes, it is.
So ma'am, this is the cross check. Here's the sign, and also the amount will be transferred to your account. And this is for your own safety, ma'am.
What safety? What is this now? Do you think these two lines are for my own safety? Huh? What is the point in it?
Okay, ma'am, you can give me some second. Actually, previously we have received some complaints from our customers that their money is get stolen while they are carrying it from the banks to their offices and sometimes to their houses. So as a matter of precaution or maybe as a measure to just prevent such incidents, these cross-checks were introduced. So just by the help of these cross-checks, amounts which are very huge, if you see your check numbers, like if your check amount is 63,250 rupees, this is a huge amount for you to carry with yourself. So they have just introduced these cross-checks. By these cross-checks, the huge amount will be transferred to your account safely. So you and your money both are safe.
Oh, so it is to not be stolen, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now I get the point here. Oh, so yeah, thank you so much. And sorry for the inconvenience and the misbehave. Yeah.
It's all right, not anymore.
So the amount will be transferred into my account by tomorrow, right? Am I right?
Yes. It will be transferred to your account within 24 hours. But in some cases, if it gets delayed, please you have to keep this record, this receipt with yourself. And if you don't receive the money within 24 hours, you have to visit our office with this receipt and we will follow up with it.
Oh, okay. Now I get it. Yeah, thank you so much and have a good day. Bye-bye.
Have a good day.
Maureen, you were great.
So that was about 7. Noreen, I must say you really looked like a banker, and you also showed the check and all, and you really looked like a banker. And Azima, you were a real customer, and we really felt that you were together talking in a bank. It was a real
Thank you,
scene.
ma'am.
Felt like that. Moving ahead to scene number 8, that is the last from the banking side. It is, if we don't talk about loans, it would be incomplete for banks. So scene number 8 is about loan. A businessman is coming to bank to ask for a loan. And here the roles are played by 2 students. The banker here is Sibani and the customer here is Akshay again. Are you both ready, Sibani and Akshay?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So over to you all. 1, 2, 3, and here you go.
Hello, ma'am. I am Akshay Khatare, owner of Bharat Travel Agency. I want to apply for business loan.
Yes, Mr. Akshay. Tell me more about your business and what kind of capital you want to lend. Are you a regular customer of our bank?
Yes, I am a regular customer of your bank. I have a current account in your bank, and my business, I have this travel business. Okay, it was doing right. It was doing great. I was enjoying the profit, enjoying the customers. But then this lockdown happened, and I'm telling you, really, I lost all my customers. I lost all my profits, and suddenly I'm in debt now, and I don't know what to do about it. But that's the reason I want to apply for loan.
I understand your grief, Mr. Akshay. And this COVID-19 have really impacted small businesses like yours. And according to RBI policies and government guidelines, banks like ours are really happy to offer relief to you as a form of credit to small and medium enterprises. You know, vocal for local. You must have heard about it. So we offer many schemes from our side to help businesses like yours. But first, let me check a few details about you. Please give me your passbook.
Yes, I have it. 1 minute, just one. Okay, here it is.
Thank you. Let me check. I see that you have already availed a loan from a bank of rupees 20 lakh under the Mudra scheme. Is it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, it is due on like in few months. Maybe it will be completed.
Yes, I can see that you were paying your installments on time, but due to lockdown, you have deferred by 3 months as a relief to lockdown measure to businesses. Your installment got deferred by 3 months. So your credit rating looks good and your current account balances is also satisfactory. So there is not a problem in giving you loan. But the travel business you said you were doing, has not much hope for recovery. Do you have any new plans? Take your pass.
Yes, I have come up with this idea. By new like this capital, I want to start a commercial transport business or maybe a car rental agency. And I'm thinking about it that in this time of lockdown, transport is the only thing that is in demand. You know, it will be vegetable transport, maybe so like goods and all transport. So that's why I'm thinking about starting the transport business, commercial transport.
So what is the amount you want to lend?
I think 10 lakh will be enough for me. But can you please tell me about the SME scheme or you have offer for SMEs?
Yes, Mr. Akshay, we do have a range of options. Let me check and tell you. We give loans like asset-backed loans, export packing credit, e-dealer finance scheme, lease rental discounting, SME e-biz loan, loan to business correspondents, finance to food processing industry, and simplified small business loan. According to me, the loan best suited for you is the simplified small business loan. It offers a loan of capital amount between 10 lakh to 25 lakhs, and you have to provide a collateral of only 40% of the amount. So do you have assets to give as a collateral?
Yes, I have my own shop and a non-agriculture land that I can give for collateral. And also this amount of 10 lakh, I think it will be fine for meet my obligations. And by the way, what is the interest rate of this loan?
Okay, so I am ready to give you loan under this simplified small business loan, and the amount can be between 10 to 15 lakhs, and it will cost you an interest of 8% per annum. The unified charges, that is the processing fee and all, will include 7,500 rupees. The repayment period is of 60 months, that is 5 years, and the installment per month will be around 20,000 rupees. So is it fine with you?
Yes, it's fine. But what is the process? Like, what is the remaining process? How I will avail the loan?
You have to give us an application mentioning the scheme you are applying and the purpose of your loan. You have to give your property papers, photocopy of your current account, passbook, Aadhaar card, PAN card, and a phone number linked with our bank account. After verifying this, I will credit the amount in your bank account within 1 or 2 weeks. Is that fine?
Okay. So it is a very long process, right? Can I ask me like how much time it will take to money to be credited in my account?
As I've already told you, it's 1 to 2 weeks, and you can't say it's a long procedure. This is the minimum that we ask.
It's fine. Okay, that sounds nice. I will come with all the documents. Yes, I will come with all the documents, and I will meet you. Okay, and thank you for your help. Thank you. You are very good. Thank you.
So,
Great. So good information delivered by Sibani here. Sibani, you gave almost all information about bank. Well played, Akshay.
Yes.
So it was nice. And that was scene 8 from banking. And now I give away to Shamla ma'am to go ahead and proceed with 3 more scenes of corporate governance, and we are eagerly waiting for those scenes to come up, and we'll watch them delightfully. Yes. Shamla ma'am?
Yeah. So hello guys, I've been watching after I think some scene 6 or something 5th. So well done. So we saw the operational part of banks. Now we will see the governance, a little governance part of the bank. So our scenes would be scene 9, scene 10 and scene 11. Scene 9 is going to be a meeting of CFO and the auditor, and the dialogue between them before they go to the board meeting, because they both have to have some things cleared among themselves about the financial aspects of the company, so that it can be clearly placed in front of the board of directors, and the board of directors are well informed. So we have the auditor's role played by Gaurangi Joshi and CFO's role played by Apurva Gupta. So both of them are there. Please on your videos and start with your dialogue. All the best to you guys.
Good morning, Miss Apurva.
Why don't you just on your Apurva, please on your this video,
Yes,
please.
Ma'am, I have.
Where are you? I can't see you.
Ma'am, I have.
She's visible, ma'am. You can see her.
Okay, I can't see her. Okay, ठीक है. चलो, go ahead, man. चलो, go. Start.
Good morning, Miss Apurva.
Good morning, Ms. Gaurangi.
Miss Apurva, we are almost in the completion stage of our audit, and I have a few things to discuss with you. Shall we?
Yes. Please go ahead.
Okay, all right. Miss Apurva, I wanted to discuss about the current litigations going on in your bank relating to taxation matters. Could you give me some insights about it?
We are facing taxation issues with respect to capital gains. The assessing officer has added additional income and charged us a much higher amount. We have already filed an appeal for it to the Income Tax Commissioner, and the legal proceedings are also underway in the Income Tax Appellate Tribunal.
Okay, all right. And how are you planning to show this in the accounts? What do you think is the probability of winning and losing the case?
After assessing the current situation and the government regulations, we are hopeful of the litigation being in our favor. The probability of winning the case seems to be more than 50%. But if at any point we indeed foresee that the chances of losing the case is more, then we will be making adequate provisions for it in our books of accounts. Or we could just show it as contingent liability as notes to accounts.
Okay, all right. And have you discussed this issue with your bank's legal consultant? What is his opinion on that issue?
Yes, discussions with our legal consultants are underway. Our financial advisors are constantly in touch with them. We are continuously monitoring the situation and are also being updated about the latest legal proceedings.
Okay, all right. And would you mind if I discuss this matter with your bank's legal consultant?
Yes, sure you can.
Okay, all right. Then please share his contact details to me and I'll talk to him and discuss this matter and finalize it accordingly, because as per my knowledge, this is a significant matter and I need to show it under the key audit matters paragraph in my audit report.
Yes, all right, Ms. Gaurangi.
Okay, and Ms. Apurva, another thing is with the percentage increase in frauds with respect to advances, are there any changes made in the policies with respect to sanctioning of loans to the clients, especially in corporate sector?
Yes, the bank will be restructuring the procedure and will be fully coordinating with the guidelines laid down by the Reserve Bank of India. Instead of waiting for a loan to be classified as a non-performing asset and then taking reactive measures, the bank would be following a rather proactive approach. Stringent policies and procedures will be established and followed with respect to every sanction for more than 50 crores of rupees. After discussion with our legal advisors and internal auditors, we have recommended the board to constitute a separate committee for preventing fraud and monitoring loans, which will be supervised by the audit committee, under which it will be mandatory for every borrower to get forensic audits done before as well as after the sanctioning of loans. They will also be required to undergo periodic fund utilization audits and checks. Regular warnings will also be issued to every defaulter, starting from the very first year itself. It will not only be those clients which will come under the scrutiny, but also those assessing officers approving these loans.
Okay, all right. Ms. Apurva, your answers are quite satisfactory and I look forward to talking to your bank's legal consultant and finalizing my report. Okay, then thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah. So, good. Being the CFO giving clarifications about some issues which were raised by the external auditor. And now we move on to the next scene, and that is the board of directors scene. We have tried to depict actually what happens in a board of directors meeting. So we have Mayuri Jezurkar playing the role of chartered secretary. We have the CEO's role played by Atmarath. We have the board of directors, Aishwarya, Gaurangi, Bhagyashri, and Ayush Shukla as a board of directors. So guys, are you all ready? Ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah. Please on all your cameras and we'll start the thing. Action. Chalo, start.
Good morning, everyone. Good afternoon, everyone. Sorry. Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. I am Mayuri Jezurkar, the CS of DOC Bank Limited. Open up the meeting. We are holding third board meeting of the year with minutes of the last board meeting, which was held 3 months back on 20th July 2020. Here's the meeting of last board meeting. It was decided to opening 2 new branches in rural areas. It was decided to add insurance services to deposit holders having deposit of more than 50 lakh as special services. Of more than 50 lakh as special services to this deposit holder, this was also decided to provide special credit card facilities to corporate at vice president rank. With pleasure, I like to declare in front of the board that the bank was able to meet its target in respect of loan disbursement and loan recoveries. The agenda for proposed board meeting is decision about new loan, decision about new business segment, decision about loan disbursement segment wise, and setting targets for priority sector, status of recoveries made, and situation of NPA. Since there is enough quorum present, I request the board to give the attendance.
I, Ayush Shukla, Chairman of DOC Bank, is present in the meeting.
I am Aishwarya Sajendra Das, the Non-Executive Director of DOC Bank and the Chairman of Stakeholders Relationship Committee, is present in the board meeting.
I, Attabara Naran Yadav, CEO of the DOC Bank, is present in the meeting.
Independent Director of DOC Bank and Chairman of Nomination and Remuneration Committee, is present in the meeting.
I, Gaurangi Joshi, Executive Director of the bank, participating in the board meeting.
Now I request to start the proceeding for the meeting.
So, what kind of new services can we start, especially during this pandemic situation?
COVID times have been difficult and we need to start and cater to the needy and old. We will concentrate on the individual customer who are above 50 years of age and provide service to their home and build our customer relations. In this respect, we also need to take few marketing decisions and inform the customers through electronic media and SMS service that we will reach their home for any kind of service they aspire for. So a new business statement should be taken into consideration in these times.
So what about decision regarding loan disbursement segment-wise, and what would be our targets?
We should have targets centered to the priority sector lending and the MSME drive.
In order to do this, we need to have a review of segment-wise performance and what is the recovery status.
Owing to this COVID time, since the business closed for a few months, there are some issues of recovery of bad loans which has to be seriously thought out. So we need a special discussion over this point.
So now, is there need to bring some changes in the rate of fixed deposit?
So interest rate should not be raised.
I agree with Ms. Bhagyashri. Interest rate should not be raised.
Yes, interest rate should not be raised.
Decision is to be taken with the majority under the special resolution passed that interest rate will not be changed.
The board meeting has followed the agenda and taken up every point for discussion. Now I declare and resolve the board meeting as closed. We will meet on the next board meeting. Thank you for being present here.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So that was our board meeting with some of the strategic decisions, and the agenda was discussed on few matters about how the bank should be doing in the coming 1 year. So now actually, ma'am, I request you to please share the screen movement, because in the last we've got to show a graph. So if you can just share the screen, Kushali ma'am.
Okay, I need to share the screen, that's it?
Yeah, you just share the screen because we need to show a graph. And can the screen be shared by everyone? Because
Yes, I will enable sharing of screen. Yes, yes, I'll do it. I'll do it. Yeah.
So that we just
Give
have
me
to
a moment. I'll do it.
Good afternoon, Manite. My ध्यानात राहू दे.
Yes, I have enabled screen sharing to students. They can share now.
Yeah, okay. That is at the last a bit one. So,
yes.
So now we go to the last scene of the day, and this is the typical shareholders meeting. So we have again our company secretary's role played by Mayuri Jezurkar. We have shareholders roles played by Prabha Agarwal, Saeed and Lucretia. And we have the meeting being attended by all the board members and the auditor. So let's start. So start the scene time.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
With permission of our chairman, we can start our proceeding for the meeting. Since the quorum is present, I am Mayuri Jezurkar, CS of DOC Bank Limited. Welcome you all. The member may note that our chairman, Mr. Ayush Shukla, chairman of Audit Committee, chairman of Nomination and Remuneration Committee, CEO, and all present here. Please give your attendance.
I, Ayush Shukla, Chairman of DOC Bank, is present in the meeting.
I, Attamrat Aganyado, CEO of the DOC Bank, present in the meeting.
Bhageshri Dhande, Independent Director of DOC Bank and Chairman of Nomination and Remuneration Committee, is present in the meeting.
I also wish to inform the member that representative of retiring auditor, Mrs. BSR Company Chartered Accountants, representative of proposed statutory auditors, Mrs. Ahuja Chartered Accountant Company, and representative of secretarial auditor, Mrs. LEG Company, attending the meeting. Owing to pandemic, it was decided to hold the meeting through video conferencing. As per the notice circulated to all the members, we are following all the direction given by the RBI for the year ended 2019-20 until further instructions. I like member to note that bank is complying to all provision of the Company Act 2013 and the Disclosure Requirement Regulation 2015. Members are also informed that for avoiding interruptions, all the members have been mute and the transcript of the AGM will be circulated to all attendees. I hereby confirm that the bank has made all effort for our members to cast their vote through electronic media participate. Vote within the time would be considered in the AGM. Central Depository Services Limited facilitating voters through electronic means and for member of AGM. I now request our chairman, Mr. Ayush Shukla, to address the members.
Dear shareholders, we have completed 10 years of our journey and covered huge customer base. We have built a bank on the principle of integrity, transparency in managing its operation and providing world-class service to our customers. We have a team of committed managers governed with high ethical system and of highest professional standards. We are going through very difficult times because of this pandemic, but our bank has maintained its momentum and strong growth. The progress made in the last year has been quite satisfactory with the help and support of a managing team, employees, partners, and our stakeholders. We have been successful in improving our competitive spirits. I truly appreciate your support for the progress the bank has made in so many years. We have always been striving to protect our stakeholders and remain committed to them by giving them value and service. I hereby confirm that the bank has made all efforts for our members to cast their votes through electronic media and participate in the items considered in this AGM. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Now I request to our CEO, Mr. Atim Raj, to address the members.
Welcome to the 10th Annual General Meeting of the DOC Bank and the first virtual annual general meeting. Every aspect of banking operation are taken off. We have taken care of all employees who are working from home service uninterrupted. In addition, we had 90% of our bank branch network and 95% ATM all are operating in different states. We have been observing strict protocols and safety measures in respect of information security and to mitigate the potential risk in this period. Notwithstanding, despite all odds, the bank has showing good performance. Now I would like to talk about the bank performance. We have been providing high quality professional services and building fundamental and strong governance standards and has customer-centered approach. The bank deposit has shown an increment of 220 crore to 1,15 crore in these 10 years. The number of customers has increased from 1.5 lakh to 85 lakhs. Our bank has 386 branches in 28 states across India and 1,245 business outlets. Our estimated revenue is 5,540 crore, which reflects growth rate of 39%. So our bank has been doing good with your all support. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Now we will open up the forum for the shareholder queries. Kindly please ask your questions.
I'm Said Sultan, shareholder of DUC Bank, present at the meeting. As per the annual report, the NPL situation seems to be getting. So what is the bank doing to mitigate these risks?
Yes, Mr. Sultan, you are right. The bank has been taking actions and has their risk management policy philosophy taken very seriously. And we are trying to reduce our gross NPA ratio. And in the future to come, we assure that our risk management philosophy would be really very helpful.
And I'm Prapti Sharma, and I'm very thankful for the interest shown by the bank towards its shareholders. Owing to this pandemic issue, which does not seem to be revolving for the next 6 months also, what is bank planning as its vision to protect the interest of the shareholder?
The bank has always performed and tried best to protect stakeholders. So rest, you don't have to worry.
I, Prabha Agarwal, as a shareholder of DUC Bank, would like to put forth a question. What decisions are the bank taking about the position of recoveries? And also, I would want to know the government's intervention and the proceedings of investors meeting.
Special questions will be addressed, but what I can assure you is that we're trying our best, and there will be no further problems.
I'm Said Sultan, a shareholder of DUC Bank, present in the meeting. What is the special plans the bank has to serve its customer and shareholder in the coming year 2021?
The bank is planning good strategic moves and assure neither the customers nor the investors and stakeholders would be facing any problems. To protect their interest is our highest priority.
Thank you. Shareholders' queries were answered with the whatever possible time we had. Since we are appointing new auditor, Mrs. BSR and company chartered accountant, I request the shareholder to proceed for the e-voting. Here we are. 82% voting for the appointment of new auditor is in favor. So, with the majority, the resolution is passed for the appointment of new auditor. Now, with permission of our chairman, I announce the AGM as dissolved. Thank you all for being present here. We now end our AGM for the year 2021. Thank you all.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So that's it, ma'am. We are done with our role also. So I think Dikshit sir has left. So we actually have one feedback. If you want, we just have a new teacher joined here today. So she is
Dr. Amrita.
Dr. Amruta. She would give a feedback. Okay?
Okay. Yes.
Yeah. Chalo, ma'am. Aap de dijiye.
Good afternoon, everyone. As I'm new to the role play, but then the role play was done very professionally. Most of the students had a very good command on how they did the role play. At the same time, many a times it was a reflection that yes, it was a real scenario being portrayed over there. So congratulations to all the people who were there as a participant, and also to both the organizers who did it very successfully.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so
Thank
much,
you,
ma'am. You're most welcome.
Khushali ma'am. Khushali ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So kya kare?
Yes, so we have reached towards the end of our role play program, and I would like to propose the vote of thanks. First of all, I would like to thank Shamla ma'am. 2 weeks back, I just thought to have a role play. I just messaged her. I had no idea whether she will support, she will say yes, no, but immediately I received a message saying, wonderful idea, let's go ahead and I will also join you. And that was the biggest support I received from the first of this idea. So first of all, I would like to thank Shamla ma'am for her support. Then I would like to thank all my students here, because when I shared the idea to them, I was clueless how they will react. I thought maybe they will say, ma'am, this is not a good idea. If we would have been in the university campus, we would have done. It's not a good idea to do it digitally. Maybe we will have connectivity problem. But no, everyone said, whatever be the problem, ma'am, we are ready to perform this. And so I am really thankful to all my students, and I would like to give a big round of applause to all my performance here once again. Thank you all.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Last but not the least, I thank every one of you, each one of you who have been present here, watching the role play, and who have been participating here and supporting us by your silence also. So thank you so much for joining us for role play, and have a great and nice day ahead.
So,
Have a good day, ma'am.
we'll have some more of this kind in the coming semester. Okay.
Yes.
So
Yes, sure.
thanks for participating, guys. We had an entertaining activity, and it was an educational information added over. So it was fun watching. Yeah. Thank you all. Thank you, everyone. All the best. Should we?
Thank you so much.
Thank you,
Shall
guys.
we end the meeting now?
All the board of directors, and I wish you become a board of director in one of the companies ahead. Yeah.
Definitely, and it was the first time I saw a general meeting. We only imagined while teaching this. That was the first time we actually came to know that they have to be present, they have to note their presence, the voting is done this way. That was the first time I even saw this.
Yes, no, presence is very important, and they have to show up their presence because the quorum has to be there. And normally we see in the governance part also, many of the board of directors are not present in the meeting. And then because of lack of quorum, there are decisions which are not taken. And so this act was important. And that is why everybody had to show their presence. And the presence is actually recorded. Yeah?
Right, right.
Yeah. Chalo,
I wish the next role play happens in the campus.
Yeah, sure, definitely. So yeah, it was a success, ma'am. Good efforts from your side.
Yes, ma'am. Congratulations to you too. Yes, ma'am.
Chalo, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, everyone. We are ending the meeting. Have a nice day.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank
Thank
you.
you, ma'am.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Bye. Thank you so much.
ma'am.